Bears are very dangerous animals. They are responsible for an estimated 5 to 10 fatalities a year. They live in all parts of the world except for the three A's: Antarctica, Africa, and Australia. Most bears eat nuts, fish, berries, plants, insects, honey, fish, and other animals. They don't eat humans, but they will attack them if they feel threatened. If you are ever faced with a bear attack, you should false bluff, you should ground beat, but never turn around and run. It's better to play dead. Hippos are responsible for an estimated 100 to 150 deaths a year. They are mostly found in lakes, rivers, and wallows, or pretty much any body of water in Africa. They grow to be about 14 feet long and 5 feet tall, and they can weigh up to 3.5 tons. Snakes are responsible for an estimated 50 to 125,000 fatalities a year. Some snakes are very venomous. The most venomous snake in the world is the king cobra, and he is the world's most poisonous snake. His venom is strong enough to kill an elephant. Crocodiles are responsible for an estimated 600 to 800 fatalities a year. They grow to be about the size of a 6-foot man. The difference between alligators and crocodiles are the snout. Alligators have broad snouts while crocodiles have long tapered ones. If you are ever confronted with a crocodile, the best thing to do is shout, scream, and claw. The scientific name for the red fox is the Volpe volpe. Fox species include the red fox, the gray fox, the Arctic fox, the kit fox, and the fennec fox. A group of foxes is called a skulk. Foxes usually have about 4 to 5 pups, and they are born in the spring. They are primarily carnivores and primarily feed upon rodents such as rabbits, mice, and squirrels. The Swahili name for the lion is the Simba. You may remember this from The Lion King. They grow to be about 48 inches high and weigh between 330 to 500 pounds. They typically live about 13 years in captivity. Lions sleep about 20 hours a day, and every female in the pride is related. They have been mistakenly called the king of the jungle, but lions do not live in jungles. Tigers are the largest of the big cats. Wild tigers are at the very top of the food chain. The most developed sense on the tiger is their hearing, and they can spend about 18 hours a day sleeping. A female tiger usually gives birth to about 2 to 3 cubs in the wild. Cougars are very dangerous predators. They kill about 800 people a year. They weigh between 150 to 230 pounds, and they are the largest of the big cats. If you are ever confronted with the cougar, you should not turn around and run. You should shout, scream, and throw stones. If one has you, punch at his nose and his eyes. Sharks are responsible for an estimated 100 fatalities a year. In some form, sharks have been around for about 400 million years. If you ever go in the ocean where sharks swim, don't wear yellow or orange. They have good eyesight for these colors. And if you are cut, get out of the water as soon as possible because they can smell blood from miles away. They have the most powerful jaws on the planet, and unlike most animal jaws, both the shark's upper and lower jaws move.